I'm going to show you how to use Captivate's Find and Replace feature to replace a phrase with a word. Specifically, I'm going to search for the phrase watch as and change it to something else, like the word select. I'm going to run the Find and Replace feature twice. The second time I'm going to add a little twist onto what you typically would think of as a Find and Replace. You may have done this before in Captivate. I think the twist is going to be a little beneficial for you, so hang in there for a little bit. I'm going to go to the Edit menu and choose Find and Replace. In the Find box, I'm going to type the phrase watch as. In the Replace box, I'm going to type the word select. Now I'm going to click Find Next, and Captivate highlights the caption that has the phrase I'm looking for, so I know I'm going to be successful in at least one instance. But how many of these instances are there? Typically what people will do is they'll click Replace, Find Next, Replace, and if you're brave, you'll click Replace All and get everything. In this instance, I got two more of the phrase I was looking for. Total of 4, but how did I know there was a total of 4? So I'm going to click the OK button. I'm going to run the exact same Find and Replace, but with a different file. This one is identical to the first, so I can run the same exact Find and Replace. This time, instead of clicking Find Next, Replace, Find Next, Replace All, I'm going to click Find All. Now, clicking that button doesn't appear to have done anything. And here's a little thing you may not have realized about Captivate. This Find and Replace dialog box has this little slider bar right here. If I drag this bar down, it actually expands the window, and I can see now how many instances there were, tells me 4, and where those instances are. And I can now make an informed decision. Do I find next? Do I replace all? What do I do? In this instance, I'm going to be brave and click Replace All. I'll click OK. In my mind, that's a really cool hidden feature in Captivate.